You got out of bed at 4:00 p.m. today.
Yeah, that was my 8 hours.
Yeah, fair enough. Actually, yeah, that's not wrong.
Did some Molly with some children. An underground club.
Which were those local raves?
Yeah, the local raves in Vancouver. Drinking straight cocktails, baby. Just like the 60s. Manhattan, the classic. There was a show, I don't know if we can say it. There's a show called Mad Men, and this is what he drank before he struck his wife. And he struck his wife. Which is confusing with the current climate. But anyway, so we're gonna do.
First of all, I just want to make fun of you because you opened this bag of ice like an absolute idiot. Why would you open the center of the bag of ice?
Because look how easy my hand fits in there.
Yeah.
I'm a caveman, Max. I'm a goddamn caveman.
You're barely a man. let alone a caveman.
Dad? So, as I said before, this was the unofficial aggressive businessman drink of the 60s. So we're gonna do.
So that's your demographic.
Yeah, that's what it. Well, call a spade a spade. We're gonna do a Manhattan. We're all. It's fine. Okay, so.
Hey, Ivan may be.
Please insult me.
You may be a male, but you're not a man. I'll tell you that.
We're gonna use the rest of the whiskey because we drank most of this bottle last night.
The bottom or the top of the cup.
I don't know what I'm doing. 3.
This is his episode. He's supposed to know what he's doing in this episode. This is him. We're the cooks here. Like, what's he doing?
Oh,
That was a
if you thought I knew it,
It's like the rest of the bottom, doesn't it? Oh wow,
Okay,
you
so-
did.
No.
That's what you call a jack on the rocks.
and now we have a Manhattan. All right, perfect. So
This is how I drank alcohol in the 60s.
Dude, you
beautiful.
can't actually. You're gonna use all. No way, man.
what?
Yes, do it.
It's
Stop being a pussy.
fucking
You-
awful.
Nice,
Yeah,
thank you, Max.
oh.
Thank you, Max, for adding something positive to the
Yes.
drink. Telling me to drink less. What are you, every person I've ever been with? Okay, so we're gonna do 2 parts whiskey and we're gonna do 1 parts sweet vermouth. So that means 3.
8 parts whiskey.
Yeah, maybe. No, that's fine.
Fucking
Nah,
3 pour in the whiskey.
We're gonna do some
Bourbon
bitters.
heavy, bourbon heavy.
Bourbon heavy. We're gonna do 2 dashes per thing. So I don't know. That's a bunch.
what's that?
It's like the classic bitters. You can buy this at the liquor store, and I'm sorry, the grocery store, and you can get drunk on it. Fun fact. It's 45% alcohol. No, it's not.
You shouldn't.
You shouldn't. You'll die before you get drunk.
Yeah, but you could.
You have to pump your stomach, but that's fine.
Like the non-alcoholic beer you can buy at the grocery store is like 0.5%.
Oh fuck.
And like, yeah, like when I don't even know, I was probably
Having a flashback.
like 16, 17 and been like, oh, I can buy this. Like I can buy this and try and get drunk. And like I drank easily, tried. I didn't like successfully get drunk, but like I drank probably like 6 or 7 non-alcoholic beers.
Yeah.
Trying to get
Trying to
drunk.
get drunk.
Oh, like, you know.
Why don't you be a normal child and steal your dad's beer? Thanks.
Or wait.
Thank
Or
you,
wait till
Larry.
you're 19 like you should.
By the way, the
Yeah.
vodka in the liquor cabinet is just water now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it went all the way down.
Laura's trying to get drunk. And like, it tastes like water. It's like chugging the bottle.
Okay, so once again, we don't have any oranges, so we're gonna do lemon zest again. But that's a Manhattan. All it was is it's 3 ingredients. Like honestly, any cocktail, like a real classic cocktail that they used to make in the 60s was it was a bitter, it was a liquor, and then it was like an aperitif, like Campari, like some
Liquor.
Barely
Fuck, we almost said the same
Fuck
thing.
you guys.
Okay, so in a real Manhattan, we'd have a boozy cherry in there, but I don't know. I fucking don't know where to get boozy cherries, if I'm being completely honest. And you would have
This is straight bourbon.
Ew, it's basically, yeah, as I said, this is why men in the 60s beat their wives all the time, because they're drinking straight bourbon every day and acting like it was normal.
See, bourbon calms me down. Tequila, don't get me started on tequila. Tequila, yeah, that's it. Don't get me started on
Tequila, hardly knew her.
You're so fucking stupid. I love it.
tequila. Yeah.
It's just like Christmas. That's it. It's there.
It's strong.
Of course it's strong.
It tastes good. Don't get me wrong, it tastes good, but I like bourbon. And I drink it straight.
But also, this is the shittiest bourbon on the market.
By far.
This is rubbing alcohol with brown food coloring in it. That's literally what it is.
Yeah.
You can use this to clean your toilet. You can use this to clean your bath.
It's multi-purpose.
Get through Christmas, you can do what you want with it. It's perfect.
You can clean your mind.
Get you through Christmas.
God, I hate family. Okay, so That is a Manhattan. That is a Manhattan.
This.
Pretty good.
This is not a Manhattan. I'm telling you it's Manhattan. Okay, so
Well, we don't even-
Manhattan isn't traditional.
I've never even. Oh
Yeah.
my god! Don't get me started. Traditionally.
this isn't a traditional
This is
Manhattan.
not traditional Manhattan.
You didn't even
Oh,
grow up
no.
in the 60s. You don't know how to make a Manhattan.
Yeah. How do you don't beat your wife? How do you know that's what they drink?
Don't say things you don't know about.
Yeah.
I'm not married, it's fine. So that was our sweet little man. Oh, you guys are. Okay, it's actually something you shouldn't try.
No.
Oh really?
This
The
is a
drink that
sipper.
you poured the entire bottle of whiskey into? We shouldn't chug.
true.
All right.
What is the worst New Year's story you have? Tell me something that would make me.
Worst?
Yeah, something disgusting. Something that would make someone
Something
uncomfortable.
I've done disgusting.
Yeah.
Something that would make somebody uncomfortable. Ivan, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you the lead on this one.
Fine.
Okay, so
Hold on a second.
it was New Year's Eve, and I had to work the morning of. So I had to be at work at 6:30 a.m.
I don't know if I approve this story.
Yeah.
Too late, we're already in.
And he was like,
you
he
can
was like,
cancel now.
Yeah.
He's like, come party,
Okay.
come party. I was like, how could I possibly get you to come? Like, I didn't want to come. I didn't want to go
Yeah.
party. I didn't want to do anything. I wanted to go to bed. He's like, how could I potentially get you out and go to the bar? And I was like, there's no way, man. There's no way.
I know where it's going.
You know,
dear
it's good.
God.
He's like, I was like, there's no way. He's like, what if I asked every girl that I met to give me a blowjob?
Oh, this is Costa Key.
This
This is a Saturday night.
This is a very,
everything.
very, very
Yeah.
true story.
I know.
I feel like I thought about
That's
it
the
for a
problem.
second to make him think that I was thinking about it, but like instantly I was like, fuck yeah, I want to watch this
Yeah.
happen all night.
Let's watch the Titanic sink. Let's sit on a life raft and just watch this guy go into the ocean while I can be sober and enjoy the fun of
Yes,
this. Yeah,
exactly.
perfect.
So I'm
can't-
sober on the Titanic, watching this train wreck. Also, there's a train on this Titanic.
Yeah, it's a big Titanic. There's a train track on the other side. Yeah, I get it. The metaphor's loose, but I get it.
I can open like
And
a
this
motherfucker. I
this
just
kid
can't close.
ran around the bar.
Asking for blowjobs is a hard open.
And you know exactly what bar I'm talking about. The
Yeah.
only nightclub in Penticton.
It's closed now. Yeah.
It's
That's
very
a
close
mess.
Close
now.
now. Yeah.
He ran around like an idiot for about 3.5 hours trying to keep me there so we could have fun. Asking girls for blowjobs. I was like,
Not
We met
realizing
him.
that you're the fun
We
part.
met him there. He was
You were
was
there.
there.
But I
Dude,
didn't
like-
run around asking for blowjobs. I'm not a savage.
or a psycho.
Do you actually not remember this?
No.
Oh my fucking god, man! You were like
I
one of the
remember this.
first people that I saw.
Did you
in
ask
the-
me for a
in the
blowjob?
dance floor? No.
Because that makes more sense. You're like, please, I just need to get someone needs to give me a blowjob right now. I promise
Max is
I
gonna
need to have
leave.
fun with him, even
Max
though I'm
is
running
gonna
around the
leave
bar
if
without
you
him.
Don't give me
Yeah.
a blowjob.
You're like,
I want him to stay, but I want to run around asking for blowjobs.
Dude, like,
it doesn't really make sense.
You and
but
me were still like barely friends. We were like just kind of getting friends through like Kent still.
Yeah.
And I remember seeing you in the middle of the dance floor. I was like, boy, oh my god, hey man, I'm hanging out with fucking Max right now. Like,
Can you help me with this terrible deed?
I did basically just like, man, like I'm here right now, like Max.
Luckily,
hang out,
he
he's
did
big,
not
like,
have that mustache at that time, so like it was
just a
almost
tiny
more
bit less rapey?
plausible
a little bit less
than
rapey.
now
Yeah.
than it would be now.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Dude, remember like I actually like came right up to you, was like, man, like the only way that I can stay and hang out is if I just whenever I'm hanging out with people, if I just ask a random girl like, can I have a blowjob?
It's like the worst Disney movie
And
ever.
it's like
If I don't get home, if I don't ask for a million blowjobs, I get turned back into a fucking homeless woman. I just need to get a
I
million
can be a
blowjobs.
real boy.
If I just get one blowjob at this shitty nightclub, I can actually
Instead of
become a real
instead of his nose growing, it's the downstairs nose growing.
It's his thing.
Every
down
time I
there.
get told no,
It gets bigger.
Walking around this fucking meter-long dick. I need a
broomstick.
blowjob.
Okay, I
that's
don't want to
it.
give him any credit because he did not get a blowjob that night.
Good. Okay.
And he also, I'm pretty sure he got slapped. Did he get slapped?
Just once, but like,
Surprisingly, just once. One time.
Honestly,
like,
only
what did I even
once
say?
is a good
That's
ratio
huge,
for the
man.
question you're asking.
Yeah.
Like, imagine like walking up, like some chick walked up, and you were like, "Eat my asshole."
Yeah, it's like, I'd be like,
yes, please.
time to play. I got nothing for the next 3 days. Like, I'm good. I work till 5. I can be at your house probably. I take transit. 5:45? Yeah, I'll come 5:45.
Eat this shit like Kobayashi.
Tasty. Anyway,
Holy
enough about ass eating.
shit.